Good evening, guys. So, Sam and I are over here at her lot. She's not a very happy camper today. She doesn't like driving these big box trucks. These big, they're called 21 wides. They're bread trucks. This one is a little bites truck. Ah, I love these. Sam, do you have any words?
God.
Guys, I have a story to tell you. To be honest, I wasn't going to say anything. It happened about 2 weeks ago. But I've been thinking, and I think it's probably a good thing to tell everybody and give everybody a couple tips. If you're in RV transport or just transporting in general. So stick around, and I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about it, tell you what happened, and tell you how to avoid it. But I'm just waiting on Sam here.
I'm missing everything.
She's missing everything. Apparently all her paperwork
When
is...
you get your UTO master, if you're in transporting, you're supposed to get the yellow and the pink copy with it. We get the white copy, and then they get like the pink or the yellow. So I only have the white. So they have to make a copy of that now. And then for the record, you know, for the miles reading, I need the white. I only have the pink and the yellow. So I'm just worried, you know, whatever.
I'm thinking the transporter who brought it to this yard probably wrote on the white and then took it with him. Yeah. I've never seen that happen before, but I mean, we run for different companies. But yeah, guys, stick around. Sam and I are just going to do her pre-trip and her photos. We're going to make sure she's all set up, and then I got to pick up my trailer tonight because Camping World is doing a big, giant, countrywide audit, excuse me, and they are not letting units leave the yard after tonight at midnight. So we have to get our unit out by midnight tonight, or we can't move it at all. So we're going to get her set up, we're going to get me set up, and I will get back to you in a little bit, and I'm going to tell you guys all about what happened. You guys are not going to believe this. It really, it sucks. So stick around, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Alright guys, so we were heading to, so we picked up my load, and then we're heading to his yard to pick up his. And what happened, Sean?
And pay attention to the address of the pickup yard, and I went to the wrong... There's a couple different Goshen yards, and I'm so used to going to this one yard in Goshen that I just kind of assumed.
So you don't miss the where it says turn.
When I went to go print out my paperwork at this yard, it comes up on the computer saying, you know, hey, we just want to let you know this load is not at this yard. And I was like, oh. And I looked at the paperwork, and it's 20 minutes away from that yard. So, yeah, we are going to the other yard now. And it's dark out, and it sucks.
Which we didn't want to do. We wanted to be able to, you know, do his during the day, do mine during the day.
Because I like to do the pre-trips, you know, during the day so I can see everything. So now I got to bring it to Gallops. We left her unit at Gallops.
Yeah, because I was going to drive all the way here. I filled it up.
Yeah.
And...
we overfilled it because the damn thing didn't click off.
Yeah, we're like, why is it going so slow? And then it... Yeah, so I'm like, I'm not going to follow him to his yard. Waste gas that I just filled up to go all the way back to Gallops for him to fill up and to head back to the hotel.
So we'll get my load, I'll bring it to Gallops. It's really bright there if you've ever been there. It's also called the Castle. And I can do my pre-trip there. It'll be all lit up. Yeah. And then we'll both head to the hotel. Yeah,
we're gonna get some Chinese for dinner.
Yeah, the buffet.
But I just wanted to share that with you because I wasn't a happy camper.
She's still not a happy camper. She's been mad all day.
Oh, please. We will see you guys when we get to Gallops. I'll do a quick little video for you. Show you
I'll probably mumble and talk to you guys while I'm loading up.
You'll hear us cursing in the dark.
Yeah, you'll hear me banging into the hitch. And I'll be screaming.
We'll see you guys in a little bit.
That's what I gotta deal with every day. Alright, so we just got my RV.
Hours later.
This took way too long. I don't know why.
The yard was ridiculously...
Yeah.
There's a lot of people there, plus it was dark.
Yeah.
So the cones are like numbered, and it was hard to see the cones.
This is why I don't recommend picking up units at night. I don't do it.
I don't know. The time just got ahead of us with my unit.
And then this guy started yakking at me in my ear while I'm trying to you know, check the unit over. I'm like, dude,
he's like, oh, don't forget this or that. I'm like, Jesus, like we're trying.
And I'm trying to be polite about it. Trying to be polite about it, but like, this isn't my first rodeo. I did over 100 RV moves this year, so I think I got this down. But
oh, guys, I'm upset. There's no elements in the truck.
Can you believe it? She's transporting a Little Bites truck with no Little Bites.
Come on, it's like it's on it.
Oh my God! That guy just saw you too.
Where?
Right there.
Was that someone that follows us?
Probably is, because we saw somebody already today and I made an ass out of myself.
Oh no, we were really tired. And then
I just drove all the way from Thornburg. For some reason, I have a very hard time saying Thornburg. And I go, oh yeah, I just came back from Thornburg.
I said, everybody said that accent.
And yeah, and it's not an accent. It's just, I don't know, it's like a tongue twister to me.
And we just got back, and then Cody
I'm using these lights as a background.
Cody was growling, and like, I thought the guy was talking about Cody, because everyone always says, why is he so damn mad? But then he's like, oh, you guys letting him mad a couple. And then he was like, I don't know.
In another world.
Yeah.
Tired.
So like, because usually guys come up to me, so you know, he has his, you know, guard up. But I'm telling him, I'm like whispering, I was like, it's okay. I was like, he knows us. But I guess he didn't hear me, so yeah.
I didn't do anything. You make it like I swung a bat.
He just said hey, and then just like, and, you know, wanted to hurry up and get our stuff.
I was exhausted, and if you're watching, I apologize. But I'm still tired. After doing this whole thing,
we just wanted to chill today, and it didn't happen.
No, this was a big ordeal. Anyway, I wanted to run this real quick by you guys. I wasn't going to talk about it, but like 2 weeks ago? About 2 weeks ago, I think. It doesn't really matter. We were parked in a truck parking lot. Now, I never park
in a rest area
with trucks. I never do it. I don't recommend you do that. You shouldn't do it. So, we're sitting there, parked, sleeping at 5:45 in the morning, and over here is, all I feel is boom, and the truck is rocking.
Him and I are passed out, so
and
I'm
like,
thinking it might be an RV like moving or something, because he sits down heavy.
When RV sits, it's like a hurricane, tornado came. It's stupid, but anyway. But her and I look at each other like, no.
No, he was still sleeping.
I was like in another world.
And I wake up and I'm like, did somebody really just hit us? And I look in my rearview mirror and all I see is truck lights. And I'm like, we really just got hit. Yep. And we were going to wake up like, in 30 minutes to head out on the road?
Yep. Actually, normally we wake up at like 5:15 in the morning to get going. And
you know, I gotta make myself beautiful.
So if we didn't oversleep, we wouldn't have gotten hit.
Yeah.
But yeah, we got hit. This KLLM trucker, which I stay the hell away from now, because I don't trust them. He was turning into a spot between me and another truck, and way off, nowhere near having it.
He was close to the other trucker too.
Oh yeah, extremely close, maybe like 3 inches. And he comes up to me and he goes, like with a laughing kind of voice. He's like, oh man, he's like, I thought I had it. Dude, I wanted to punch this guy in the throat, and he's like, I thought I had it. Like, I said, no, dude, you didn't have it.
If you didn't know if you had it or not, get out and look.
Guys, goal.
Stop relying on your mirrors.
Get out and look. I don't understand, man. Like, if you can't pull into a truck parking spot, how the hell can you drive an 80,000-pound rig down the highway at 70 miles an hour?
And now with our job, someone's not there 24/7, so now we have to sit there for 3 hours till someone comes into the office so we can let them know what the hell happens.
Yeah, because you gotta,
if we can continue or not.
Right, you gotta see if they want you to deliver the unit or not.
With their police report and everything.
I have a couple pictures. I think I still have them. Yeah, I still have them.
Oh,
I'm gonna pop them in there. You guys can take a look. It'll be like a little slideshow. But this guy was so far from having it that I don't know. He must have been tired or something.
Yeah, it was raining and foggy out too, and it was a very dark truck stop.
It doesn't matter though.
You should still get out and check.
I don't understand.
And he was able to just leave.
Yeah, and he just like took the police report, from the state trooper and reported it to his company. We swapped insurance, obviously, and he just dipped, left.
And him and I were sitting there.
And I had to sit there.
Crazy.
And I had to sit there till 8:30, till 8 o'clock, till my company opens to report it. They had to call Camping World to see if they still wanted the unit, because the strip that goes down the corner of the RV in the back.
The metal frame.
No, it's not a frame.
Well,
it's the metal stripping that joins the side and the back. I'll show you guys the pictures. You'll see. And so that got scratched up, and one or two little sides got pressed in. Anyway, they ended up taking it. They ended up saying deliver it. I delivered it. They pulled my $1,500 security deposit. I don't understand why. They're saying that until this guy's insurance pays it, my $1,500 deposit sits in limbo. And from what I'm hearing, some people are saying, oh, you might get it back within a month, and some people are saying you might get it back within a year.
Or you might not get it back at all.
Or you might not get it back at all.
Ridiculous.
I don't understand.
Something that we didn't even do.
Not at fault at all. I was sleeping, and this guy hit me. I don't understand how they're pulling it.
Yeah, it's us ranting a little bit.
But, keep my eye out. I hear things.
There's a guy over there by his truck. His dog is running around.
But it sucks, man. And so I recommend you do not park in truck parking spots because obviously you can get your CDL out of a cereal box. You know, because some of the way these guys drive is pretty scary.
Cracker Barrels or
I park at Cracker Barrels.
The cars are at in the trucks.
Right, Cracker Barrels. I'll take up 30 spots, but it's like late at night. Nobody's there. The place is closed, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, their RV spots don't fit like big rigs.
Yeah, I don't understand. The RV spots barely fit my damn truck, so I don't understand how it's an RV spot. But so we stay at Cracker Barrels, or we stay in the car section of a rest area if there's enough spots, and we'll stay way in the back, out of the way. We don't park like up close to the
door.
Yeah, to the door of like the big, you know.
If it's too tight, we just keep going until we find a bigger.
Yeah. Another thing is, don't wait till you have 20 minutes left on your log. Yeah. You know, wait, see an hour, or plan your route and say, hey, I'm gonna go this far today, and then I stop.
This is what we usually do.
But yeah, stay away from those truck stops, and you'll talk to a lot of transporters if you don't already know, and they'll tell you stay away from truck stops because these guys will hit you and they will dip. They do not care.
We've heard stories
because
they're just talking out of
their trucks are already banged up, so they don't care. You know, so what's another little scratch? Nobody's gonna know. But these things cost $40,000 or more. You know, and
I'm sure you unplug the.
Yeah, let me unplug this hitch, otherwise it'll kill my truck. That's another thing, guys. If you ever transport, even if these like you don't have exterior lights, unplug them because the what do you call it? You know, like the interior lights and the inverter and everything are running, and they'll run off your truck battery.
There's a screen on there right now.
So make sure you unplug it. Right now, it's just running on the house battery. Yeah. And I guess it'll die because this was off when I picked it up, and as soon as I plugged it into the truck, it lit up.
We'll probably come back after we're done eating. If you haven't been to the Chinese buffet place,
we're going up. What is it called again? Garden Inn. It's a Chinese buffet right here next to the Red Roof in Elkhart.
Yeah, we should walk
and it's really good.
So all right, get these dogs going.
I gotta walk my dogs because we've been out for hours.
Yeah, a lot longer than I thought it'd be.
This is kind of. I hope that goes out. I'm not tripping, right? I definitely unplugged it. Yeah. All right, as long as it doesn't kill my truck battery, I don't really care. It'll run the house battery then. Oh well. I don't mess with anything inside. I leave the RV exactly how it is in the inside. That way I'm not responsible for anything. You know what I mean, guys?
We used to check the inside because we didn't know.
Yeah, I used to check it. I used to mark everything. Now, apparently, we're not liable for anything inside, so I just leave it alone. But we're going to go get some food. I hope you're all having a great night. We're going to warm up, take a shower.
Eat.
Yes. Eat.
Tinky.
And go relax before our trip to Jersey tomorrow.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
Ladies.
Oh, boy.
Just be careful with your surroundings and stuff, because he dropped me off at my truck, and then he went to go put gas in, and there's this couple that parked next to me, and the boyfriend was just eyeing me the whole time, and I had no service. So I hurry up and unlock the truck to get into it, and I close the door, and I realize that I can't lock myself in. So you just gotta, pay attention to your surroundings. It's scary out there.
I told her it's kind of sexy that a girl drives a big truck. So he was probably turned on.
It was just creepy the way he was staring.
Yeah.
Like she was backing up and he was just staring. Like he didn't move. Maybe he wanted to know if I had any enemies inside.
Yeah, I'm sure he wanted some little bites.
I wouldn't have shared if there was so long.
No, I wouldn't either. Alright guys, have a good night and we will see you tomorrow morning.